What's up guys, and welcome to the Coupon Club. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a $5 off of 25 breakdown for this Saturday. And guys, I put together a deal where you can get all your items for completely free. So if you're new to shopping at Dollar General, it is super easy. All you need to do to start is to download the Dollar General app and create an account. And now once you have your account, go ahead and clip all the digital coupons to your account, which I'm going to show you later in this video. Now that you have all your digital coupons clipped to your account, when you're actually at the store at checkout, go ahead and punch your phone number in, which is associated with your Dollar General account, into that little keypad, and all your Dollar General coupons will come off automatically, making your subtotal really low. So before we get into these breakdowns, I recently actually just got over like 800 subscribers, which is crazy, I can't even believe it. And I actually announced this in my recent CVS video, but just in case you guys don't watch that or didn't watch it, I'm going to be doing a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys aren't subscribed already, definitely consider doing that. And if you are already subscribed, ring that bell so you never miss out on any of my future uploads.
Make the streams louder.
Now the first thing I want to show you guys is all the freebies which you can get this week at Dollar General outside of this 5 off of 25 breakdown. Starting off with some BIC razors. So this most recent Sunday, we all got a bunch of new Dollar General coupons sent to our account, and one of them was a $2 off of BIC disposable single or 2-blade razor. So Dollar General sells the BIC metal razor 5 count for $2, and this $2 off digital coupon is attaching to this product, making it completely free. So guys, just like that, you'll be able to pick up 5 razors for free. Well, not 5 packs of razors, but there's 5 razors in this pack, you know what I mean? Anyways, our next freebie is going to be on an air wick, and you want to get an air wick that's snuggle scented, and this is priced at $3. And check out your Dollar General app because we all just got a $3 off of any One Renews It Snuggle Oil Refill. And guys, this coupon is attaching to this product, and that's making it completely free. We also have our good old Gain dryer sheets or fabric softener freebie. So you can pick up the Gain dryer sheet 15 count or the fabric softener, which is found in the dollar aisle, and it's like the super small one, the travel size. And this is priced at $8. And go ahead and use this $1 off of 1 Gain digital coupon, and that'll make one of these completely free. For this next freebie, you're going to need an insert coupon from a long time ago, and that's going to be the 75-cent off of 1 KEEBLER cookie insert coupon found in the Smart Source from March 8th. So Dollar General sells these KEEBLER wafers and a couple other KEEBLER products for just 75 cents. So you can pick up one of them and use this 75-cent off coupon and get it for completely free. Our final freebie for this week is on the BIC Soleil razors, which are priced at $3.30. And there's a $4 off of BIC Soleil insert coupon found in our Smart Source from this most recent Sunday, April 19th. So go ahead and use that for this razor, and it'll be free, plus you'll get a 70-cent overage. So if you're not familiar with how the coupon policy and overages work at Dollar General, basically when you get an overage, you need to use that overage towards other products at Dollar General. They do not give you cash back at the end of your purchase, and I'll have the full coupon policy link below if you guys want to read that. So just for a quick example, back to this BIC Soleil razor, if you were to pick up this BIC Soleil razor, because you have a 70-cent overage, you need to find another product in the store for 70 cents. Because Dollar General is not going to pay you 70 cents at the register. So go ahead and pick up another product in addition to these BIC Soleil razors for 70 cents. So your total out of pocket will be $4. And then use this $4 coupon and you'll get both of those items for free. Now that we're through all our freebies, let's get into our 5 off of 25 breakdown, where guys, remember, we're going to be picking up everything for completely free. To start off this breakdown, you're going to want to pick up 1 LYSOL product. And whichever LYSOL product you get, make sure it's priced at $1. So you have a couple options here. They had the LYSOL toilet bowl cleaner, the LYSOL all-purpose cleaner, and the LYSOL wipes. Each of these can be found in the dollar aisle and are priced at $1. So now we also have a 50-cent off of digital coupon, which you want to clip to your account, which will make the price of this product just 50 cents. And guys, remember that this is the final price before we apply our $5 off of 25 coupon. Next up, we have the Tide Simply Laundry Pods. So with this deal, you want to make sure you get the Tide Pods with the Oxy in them. They are priced at $2.95, and you want to use this $2 off of 1 Tide Liquid or Tide Pods Digital. After this digital coupon, the price for these Tide Pods will be just 95 cents. And with this deal, guys, make sure you're getting the Tide with the Oxy. Now we're gonna get our Airwick freebie. So go ahead and pick up one of the Airwick oil refills and make sure that it's Snuggle scented. This is priced at $3, and then make sure you have your $3 off of one Renews It Snuggle product clipped to your account. Our next item should be found right next to this item or pretty close to it, and that's gonna be the Airwick plug. And you just wanna pick up one of the Airwick warmer plugs, and just the plug, nothing with the scent in here, guys, nothing with the oil in it. So just the plug is $1.65, and there's a $1.50 off digital coupon, making this just 15 cents. Now we're gonna pick up either the Gain Dryer Sheet 15 count or the fabric softener found in the dollar aisle. Each of these are priced at $1, and we have that $1 off digital coupon, which will make one of these completely free. For our next item, we're gonna get the Crest toothpaste, and you wanna make sure you're picking up the Crest baking soda and peroxide toothpaste, which is priced at $2, and we have a $1 off of one Crest toothpaste digital, making the price for this toothpaste just $1. To go along with our toothpaste, we're also gonna pick up a toothbrush, and you wanna get the Oral-B indicator toothbrush, the 2 count, which is priced at $3. Now check out your Dollar General app and go ahead and clip your $2 off of one Oral-B toothbrush, and that'll make the cost for this just $1. Our next item is the Head & Shoulders. So you want to pick up 2 of the Head & Shoulders and make sure that they are the travel size. So these are priced at $2 each, so 2 of them will run you $4, but then there's a $3 off of 2 digital coupon, which will make the price for 2 of these just $1. So for our next product, it's going to be the Bic Soleil razor, and you want to get the 3 count, which is priced at $3.30. And you want to use your insert coupon found in the Smart Source from April 19th, and that's the $4 off of Bic Soleil razor. So with this coupon, you're going to get this for free plus a 70-cent overage. Our next item is the Bic disposable razor, and specifically you'll want to pick up one of the Bic sensitive razors, and this is like a pack of 10. This is priced at $2.85, and you want to use our $2 off of one Bic single blade or twin blade razor digital coupon, and that'll make the price for these just 85 cents. Now for our last item, you guys want to pick up some candy, which is going to be priced at 25 cents. So right now, our subtotal for all of our items is $24.75. So we just need 25 more cents to hit that $25 mark. And I know at the register, there are items for 25 cents. For example, you can pick up this Mike and Ike candy, but go ahead and check out your store and see what other options they have. So altogether, these are all the products which we are going to be getting for this deal. So you should have 1 Lysol product, 1 Tide Simply with Oxy laundry pads, an Airwick oil freshener that's Snuggle scented, an Airwick warmer plug, 1 Gain dryer sheets or the fabric softener travel size, 1 Crest toothpaste, the baking soda and peroxide, an Oral-B indicator toothbrush, 2 of the Head & Shoulders, make sure you pick up the travel size, a Bic Soleil razor 3 count, and a pack of the Bic sensitive razors, which is the 10 count, and finally, just any candy of your choice, which is priced at 25 cents. Your subtotal for all of these items comes to exactly $25, which is perfect because that's exactly how much we need to spend in order to use our 5 off of 25 coupon. And now guys, these are all the coupons which we are going to be needing for this deal. And just to go over them again really quick, that's our 50 cent off of Lysol, our $2 off of Bic Disposable, a $2 off of Tide, $3 off of 1 Snuggle Renews It, a $4 off insert coupon, which is for our Bic Soleil razor found in the Smart Source from April 19th, 1 Crest toothpaste digital, a $1.50 Airwick digital, a $2 Oral-B toothbrush digital, a $1 Gain digital, and a $3 off of 2 Head & Shoulders. And of course, do not forget our 5 off of 25. So altogether guys, this is a total of $25 in coupons. So just like that, our final cost for all of these items which you see here is $0. And guys, this is 12 items. So you will be getting 12 items for completely free. This is an amazing deal. So if you guys have insert coupons, I definitely recommend doing them. And also, if you are gonna be doing this deal and you have insert coupons, just a heads up, when you are at Dollar General, there's kind of a little way that you need to do this. So the first thing you need to do when you're at the register is to just give your cashier your products and he'll start scanning them. And then you're gonna wanna hand over your paper coupons and he will start scanning those. And as soon as he is done scanning your paper coupons, start entering in your phone number really fast. So once you get your phone number in, all your coupons will come off along with that paper coupon and you guys will be good to go. Your subtotal will be $0. And some of you guys may have to pay tax. It just depends on what state you're in. But I'm actually in Massachusetts. I'm in the Northeast, so I don't have to pay tax. I would get this all for completely free. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you're interested in a 5 off of 25 breakdown using only digital coupons, let me know in the comment section down below and I can definitely put that together for you guys. And of course, if you guys like this video, show me by giving it a like down below. And if you're not subscribed already, definitely do so down below, because remember, I'm going to be doing a nice giveaway once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Alright guys, thank you again for watching and I will see you in the next one.